What's up, guys? It's Tito the Titan again. For this segment, we're gonna go through the process of running successful meta ad campaigns. Um, so basically, how to set up a brand new Facebook ad campaign that maximizes results. So today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up a brand new Facebook ad campaign. We'll cover what to optimize for, the ideal daily budget to start with, how to structure a creative testing strategy, and much more. This is a specifically designed for those who have never run Facebook ads before or are trying to better understand the best practices for launching a new campaign. Without further ado, let's just dive into this right now. So, here's a fresh account we'll be working with today. This account has a no prior ad expense and the store itself is brand new. I'm going to show you the step by step how to set up the ad campaign from scratch and share actionable strategies to lower your cost per purchase and improve your return on ad spends, which is ROAS, stands for return on ad spends. Now, before we jump into the setup, let me share a quick real life scenario that's happened in the past to many tens and tens of thousands of people. I've seen so many beginners dive into Facebook ads without a clear strategy. They start by running ads without optimizing purchases, and their budget is too high or either too low. And they use vague or mismatched targeting. One client of mine, for example, started with a overly narrow target and kept optimizing for traffic instead of for conversions. It's always okay. I guess you could technically set up two different ad campaigns, one for traffic and one for conversions. But when you're just sticking thousands and hundreds of dollars into just traffic flow to your website, to your blogs, your page, or whatever it might be that you're trying to run that ad campaign on, you're never going to see results on purchases. So sure, they got clicks, but they couldn't turn those clicks into purchases, burning through thousands and thousands of dollars before realizing they weren't ever going, ever being close um, to being profitable. So this is why following a proven step by step system is so important. It eliminates the guesswork and ensures you give Facebook's algorithm the right signal to optimize for the campaigns properly. So let's start with the campaign setup. First, we're going to choose the correct optimization goal. This is crucial when running new campaigns. I've always recommended starting with the conversions and optimization for purchases. Even though it might feel like a big step up to optimize for purchase right away, Facebook's algorithm works best when you give it clear revenue driven objectives from the start. Next, let's talk about the daily budget. For a fresh account, I recommend starting with a daily budget of $20 to $50 per ad set. This amount gives you enough data to access performance without overspending too early. If you start your budget too high, too low, things should get overwhelmed, and you might not see the signs that you need to see to be profitable. But if you have a tight budget, start at a lower end and increase gradually as you gather more results and find a winning creative. So basically, guys, if you're running on a budget, I always tell my people to always put up money up front that doesn't really matter to them. At this point, it's like investing your money. Of course, it's going to be like a loss, or it could be a goal, or it could be something great. People might see loss at the beginning, but throwing some money at the beginning for at least 30 days straight will allow Facebook's algorithm to gather enough information to give you so you can see what's working, what's not working. And despite the money that you might be losing at the beginning, you're figuring out the necessary steps that you need to take to be profitable. You know what I'm saying, and turn those ad campaigns into turn into conversions on purchases. So speaking with creatives, let's dive into creative testing. This is where you test different images, video, and ad copy to see that resonates most with the audience. For a new account, I recommend testing at least 3 to 5 variations of your ads. This could include anywhere from a product demonstration video, a static image of your product with bold, benefit driven copy, or a casual showcasing multiple angles or use of your products. I hope you guys are still with me, right? So basically, you could have a single image. You could have up to 3 different images of your product showcasing 3 different angles. You can use 2 to 3 videos. Um, the first 3 seconds of your video is going to be really crucial because people have short lifespans today. So if it's not engaging in the first 3 minutes, people are just going to swipe up and keep going. So make sure that the first 3 seconds of your video stands out and keeps your viewers and audience engaged into that 10 to 15 second video that you're trying to put on the ad campaign. So when setting up these texts, keep your audience broad. I typically start by targeting the USA with no narrow demographics. Why? Because broad targeting allows Facebook's algorithm to gather data more efficiently and to find the best performing audience for you. It's like a pro tip. Always focus on being profitable in one country before expanding to others. I always start with the USA. It's most competitive market, but if you can achieve profitability here in the United States, scaling to another region or country becomes much easier for you guys. So remember, guys, just focus on one country. United States has the most online purchases. You'll find what you need over here in the United States. We just got to work the steps, follow the regimen, so everyone could be successful. This brings me back to why most people fail. Many advertisers try to shortcut this process. They don't test enough creatives. They go too. They end up going too narrow in targeting, or they don't track their metrics closely enough. As a result, they waste money on ads that don't convert. With this system, you're focusing on testing, optimizing, and scaling strategically, giving you a much higher chance of success, right? As we proceed, I'll also show you how to monitor performance. Once your ad starts running, you'll need to track your cost per purchase, click-through rates, and ROSA for a new campaign. Your goal should be to quickly identify winning ads, giving you a much higher chance of success. So track it once a week, every 7 days, and just see the statistic rates on what's working, what's not working on all your ad campaigns. Um, so basically, this is it for this session. By following these steps, fellas, you'll be able to set up a Facebook ad campaign that optimized for success from day one. Stick with the process, stick with the program, stick with the regiment. Don't hesitate to adjust based on performance. Let's go. You guys got this. Get those campaigns live and start driving results today. Once again, thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for taking the time to sit here and view this video segment module. So now we're going to proceed to the next. I'll see you at the next video.